Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the incredible COLMI C2.0 inch AMOLED Smartwatch. This smartwatch is packed with features that are designed to elevate your style, fitness, and daily life. Let's start with the AMOLED screen, which provides a clear and vibrant display, making it easy to read and use the smartwatch. This means that you can stay connected and track your fitness without any hassle. Plus, with an IP waterproof rating, this smartwatch can withstand splashes of water and brief immersion, so you can take it with you wherever you go. What really sets the COLMI C apart is its 100 sports modes. Whether you're into walking, running, yoga, or even skiing, this smartwatch has you covered. It's the perfect tool to help you achieve your fitness goals and stay motivated. And with a voice assistant built in, you can control the device hands-free and access important information quickly. But that's not all. This smartwatch is powered by advanced technology, featuring the industry-leading Realtek Fit chip or LED. This ensures a smooth, efficient, and reliable smartwatch experience unlike any other. Plus, the C incorporates the latest blood oxygen sensor technology, utilizing red light for more accurate measurements. What really stands out about the COLMI C is its unparalleled customization. You can personalize your smartwatch by choosing a watch face from the app's watch face market, and it supports more than 100 sports modes. With up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, you'll never be caught off guard. So if you're looking for a smartwatch that's stylish, durable, and packed with features, then the COLMI C is the perfect choice for you. Elevate your style, fitness, and daily life with this incredible smartwatch. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the COLMI C today.